Codex CLI versus Cursor. Which AI coding assistant is better? Let's find out. Codex CLI is a powerful command line AI assistant for quick generation and task execution directly in your terminal. It refers to a way of interacting with an AI model directly through your terminal. Its primary power lies in generating code snippets, shell commands, and providing quick answers to coding questions based on natural language prompts, all without leaving your command line environment. So how does it work? You type a natural language request in your terminal. The CLI then outputs the generated code or command directly. It's about bringing AI intelligence to your terminal, focusing on rapid context-agnostic code creation. Who it's for? It's for developers who are highly comfortable and productive in the terminal, those needing quick, on-the-fly code snippets or command reminders, users who want a direct, no-frills interaction with an AI model without an IDE. It is often used for generating utility scripts, boilerplates, or exploring new command line tools. Cursor, on the other hand, is an AI-native code editor designed from the ground up for AI-powered development. It is a full-fledged code editor with deep AI integration for chat, code generation, debugging, and understanding large code bases. How does it work? You download and use Cursor as your primary development environment. It features a prominent AI chat panel where you can ask it to generate new files, fix bugs in existing code, explain complex functions, refactor entire sections, or even answer questions about your codebase. It also offers Copilot-like inline code completion. Its power comes from the AI having a strong understanding of your entire project for highly relevant suggestions. This is for developers looking for an all-in-one AI-first coding environment, those who want AI assistance integrated directly into their editing and debugging workflow, users comfortable switching their primary code editor for a more deeply AI-infused experience, teams looking to leverage AI for broader tasks like code comprehension and large-scale refactoring. Choose Codex CLI if you primarily work in the terminal, need quick on-the-fly code snippets or shell commands, and prefer a lightweight, direct interaction with an AI model without the overhead of a full IDE. It's your quick code cheat sheet in the command line. Choose Cursor if you want an all-encompassing, AI-native development environment where AI is deeply woven into every aspect of your coding workflow, from writing and debugging to understanding your entire project codebase. It's your comprehensive AI-powered IDE.